Hello, what's up friends? In this video, I will be showing you how to add cover on your Instagram highlights. So first, go to your profile, then go to story highlights and tap on new. So first you have to choose the stories that you want to put on highlight, then tap on next. Then here, now you will tap on edit cover. So to put a custom cover for your story highlights, tap on that little gallery icon at the bottom. So now you can choose any of the pictures from your gallery to use as an Instagram highlight cover. Now tap on that right arrow at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on done and put a name for it, and then you're good to go. So friends, that's how you put a highlight cover for your Instagram highlights. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.